This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Forex Report. It seems as though many traders are still digesting the Fed's decision to cut the overnight and discount rates by 50 basis points each yesterday afternoon. The dollar has remained weak against most of its counterparts on the news, as rate cuts do not generally offer currency support no matter what the reasoning. The only saving grace in the Fed's statement yesterday was a comment that some inflation risks still remain. The reason this is hopeful to the dollar is that it gives the Fed room to reverse its decision if the economy does not slow down dramatically or if inflation begins to trend higher. Of course, most economists expect at least one more reduction in the overnight rate by the end of the year. Fed funds futures today showed an 82% chance the FOMC would cut rates by 25 basis points next month. Today's economic reports from the U.S. were just what the Fed needed to help justify its aggressive action yesterday. Housing starts fell to a 12-year low today at an annual pace of just 1.3 million units. Meanwhile, both core and headline inflation numbers from a year earlier showed further slowing in price gains. Consumer prices rose just 2.1% in the year through August, the slowest pace in 17 months. Ironically, traders did not push the dollar lower, but caused a small rally in the currency after reports were released. Looking ahead, we will hear from both ECB President Trichet and BOJ Governor Fukui early tomorrow. UK retail sales and M4 money supply will be released shortly thereafter. U.S. economic releases tomorrow are lower tier for the most part, but Fed Chairman Bernanke is scheduled to testify on the credit situation before the House Financial Service Committee at 10 a.m. We expect traders to be hanging on his every word. This has been the Premier Trade Forex Report.